Did you break into the Easter basket and steal one already? Can I take the tag off at least? Hi, Huxley. Pretty sure you stole Huxley's. This one's gonna be Grandma's favorite. We've got a peanut butter filled beef hoof, because it was on sale and you really like it. You got a little ducky. Ziva! You got a bunny. I know, you want the treats. You got 2 beef kneecaps. An elk antler. You got some chicken liver and bacon treats. Ziva. Some beef treats. You got some peanut butter and vanilla little cookie treats. Your bone that you already stole. Like this one. And then your favorite out of all of them. Ziva, did you get some more monkeys? I know, you want your bone. Ziva, look at your Easter monkeys. Lexi, do you want an Easter monkey? Ziva, let me see it. The Easter monkey. Cookie. Good girl. Yours is the one everyone's interested in. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pig ears for you. And then you got some chicken treats.
Melissa? 7 pig ears.
Some turducken treats.
There's some pig ears. Still no dog.
Some more chicken treats.
I love Lincoln too on Easter.
Some beef treats.
Get in the shower, just get to work.
And some banana treats.
Bye, Emma. Bye.
I don't think there's anything down at that point. Look it. Lexi. Anyway, you're trying to find your bone. Got a little ducky. It's like, I'll take this. Lexi. That's not the toy. Look it. And then we got some chicken cheddar treats. Got some peanut butter and bacon treats. You got some beef treats. We got some rabbit jerky.
And Easter grass, yay!
Yay! Easter grass. And then a beef marrow bone and an antler. What do you want to play with, Hux? Huxie! nice toys you were playing with earlier. And attach those to the cat tree. See, look, we got more of your springs. Those are a little different though. Mr. Bunny got you some different ones. And then your favorite, probably, we got some catnip treats. All the other ones are distracted. Happy Easter! And someone's already breaking into theirs. What is it, Dexter? Did the Easter Bunny come? He's like, I'm not playing, I'm taking the other one. Are you happy with your Easter presents? Don't eat that.